Latest on transfer news sanibona bafethu uvandelo so nginiphathele ezinye indaba zama transfer news la ku PSL amathima amaningi asayina abadlali ngabe yakho team iyasayina na Orlando Pirates la seconfirmiwe bafethu Orlando Pirates imsayinile uTsepang Moremi ngikhulumile ngayo uTsepang Moremi bafethu kuma videos adlule yabo so lana ke iconfirmile kuthiwa usayine 3 year with a 2-year option so umjida uzodlala 3 seasons ngoOrlando Pirates mase Orlando Pirates iactivator leya 2-year option maybe bona ukuthi umjida udlala kahle for iOrlando Pirates yabo so yena okwamanje usazodlala nje u3 years mase ukuthi loya 2 years loyana uzoactivate iOrlando Pirates yabo asifuneke kube nenkinga ke umjida mase efuna ukuhamba kuOrlando Pirates after 3 years because siyawubona ukuthi option as ama-fans siyawubona ukuthi option uyadlala ngempela uTsepang Moremi uzoba umdlali ovelele ngempela lapho kuOrlando Pirates yabo uzokwazi ukusizana nabomfukeng uzokwazi ukusizana nabonkota because udlala the similar position abayidlala abajidi yabo Orlando Pirates yawadinga ama-winger and uTsepang Moremi is a promising winger ozo-add i-value kule system Orlando Pirates. Kwezinye zeindaba kuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs strongly consider signing SuperSport United midfielder uSpesihle Ndlovu the former Orlando Pirates midfielder uSpesihle Ndlovu ngenza ngempela ayijoin iKaizer Chiefs bafethu lo mjida lo ufuna uNazruddin Nabi ukuze bazokwazi ukuqinisa ischeme sabo simbonile ke last season uSpesihle Ndlovu edlala eSuperSport United he was playing very well for iSuperSport United. I was really impressed umjida use-improve indlela adlala ngakhona so iKaizer Chiefs are looking at options and they are looking to sign umjida lo uSpesihle Ndlovu asazi ke noma ideal leyo izosebenza yini but mase ngibheke right now Kaizer Chiefs yabonga ngempela abadlali ababedlalela Orlando Pirates and lo mjida lo uyiquality we cannot say lo mjida lo akakwazi ukudlala yabo uyadlala ngempela lo mjida lo kuyikona ukuthi yabo uqwaqwa. Kwezinye izindaba iKaizer Chiefs isiconfirmile ama games ezowadlala kuma friendlies lawa azodlala ku preseason njoba izwa le eNetherlands yabo izodlala ngomhla 11 July iphinde idlale futhi ngomhla ka 12 July nama team akhona le ithiwa iFC on trench mase kuba iNes Nijmin Jen angikwazi ukupronounce but ungangitshela wona lapho kuma comments angikwazi ukupronounce lamagama lawo angijwayele ukubona lama team. Kwezinye izindaba kuthiwa Edson Castillo's future at Kaizer Chiefs is in serious doubts yabo Edson Castillo ngomunye wabadlali abangekho kwilist yabadlali abazohamba baye le eNetherlands ku preseason yeKaizer Chiefs abadlali abaningi kungithusile ungaliboni igama lakho uEdson Castillo because lo mjida lo uyiquality ngempela ingabe iKaizer Chiefs ifuna ukumdedela yini because kuyashiwo la kuthiwa ifuture yakhe kuKaizer Chiefs ayicacanga kahle yabo and mase uyibheke la ilist ekhishiwe abadlali abazohamba baye le eNetherlands kuthiwa la goalkeepers uMolefe uPeterson uVuma uNtwari mase kuthi kuma defender uMarco uMonyane uMiguel uMsimango uMakhathi uSolomons uDodley uFrosler uQuinika uHappy Mashiyane uCross mase kuba uNkwesa mase kuthi kuma midfielders uCele uVelibayi Arsenal Velibayi bafethu ezinye zeindaba lezo Arsenal Velibayi will join iKaizer Chiefs. Arsenal Velibayi will join iKaizer Chiefs njoba le season izoqala umjida ideal yakhe isisayinwe kahle ngingakhuluma ngaye insukwini umjida uthi Orlando Pirates bemfuna but iKaizer Chiefs egcina iwinileke isignature yakhe uArsenal Velibayi yabo kuba umfundo vilakazi Samkelo Zwane Pulemodi Sibongiseni Mthethwa Nkosimpilo Ngcobo Tebo Khopotsane Mduduzi Shabalala Lehlonolo Motlo Yusuf Mart Gaston Sirino Thulani Mabaso mase kuba uManqoba ozomena kwezinye zeindaba kuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs igcina itholile isigning yabone yaEtiosa Ighodaro. Etiosa Ighodaro will join iKaizer Chiefs bafethu ivisa yakhe useyiapplyele for iNetherlands trip yabo ivisa yakhe useyiapplyele umjida so he be playing for iKaizer Chiefs le season entsha ezoqala uDedelo Amazulu uyingxenye labadlali abaEdedelo Amazulu because mase ubheke kuma forwards iKaizer Chiefs azohamba eNetherlands ukhona Etiosa Ighodaro Teshung Modris makusho kubani uAshley Dupreez mase kubani uMakabi Lilepo Wandile Duba noNaledi Hlongwane so Ighodaro bafethu the promising striker esidlalela iMamelodi Sundowns but ke salonwa kumaZulu umjida usezojoin iKaizer Chiefs on a free transfer iKaizer Chiefs itholele umdlala odlala ngempela quality number 9 this one ungangitshela ama comments so far about abadlali abazothola iKaizer Chiefs kuleli windi leli lizovula ungangitshela ukuthi ngabe uculisekile noma cha. Kwezinye zeindaba ngisakuyona iKaizer Chiefs following a strong finish last season Kaizer Chiefs defender uZitha Kwinika has signed a contract extension with the Kaizer Chiefs so uZitha Kwinika bafethu usazohlala kwiKaizer Chiefs uyisayinile icontracts entsha same as uYusuf Mart omunye wabadlali bafethu icontract yakhe ayisayinile neKaizer Chiefs yabo izoloko AmaZulu akhipha istatement regarding labadlali abadedelile idedele abadlali abaningi kakhulu bafisi nami ngithukile ngempela ngibona amagama labadlali laba yabo ngikhulumile ke ngoVeli Motho ngakhuluma ngombanjwa ngakhuluma Abubakar Mobara sephume umbiko kuthiwa uSandile Khumalo naye udedeliwe kwathiwa bani Mbongeni Gumede ukwanda Mngonyama udedeliwe Ramahle Mphahlelo udedeliwe Thembela Sikhakhane Wade Used I recently spoke about Wade Used now udedeliwe mase kuba usikhulile Manyoni Rowan Human I'm really disappointed ngo Rowan Human bafethu lo mjide lo I thought he will be the next superstar kuma youngsters akhona la but ke he didn't show up kumaZulu. He didn't show up kumaZulu. I thought he would dominate the squad amaZulu and be the next superstar but ke umjide bafethu icareer yakhe turns out ayisekho mnandi asazi kuzojoina iphi team right now but ke ibona abadlali labo Augustine Malenga Ethan Brooks no man I meant Ethan Brooks but ke Junior Dion Boniface Haba yabo ibona abadlali la yasiya confirma ke la ukuthi ba confirma la ukuthi Tsepang Morem uzojoina Orlando Pirates yabo Tsepang Morem bafethu uzojoina Orlando Pirates so Orlando Pirates isiyitholile ke isigning ya Tsepang Morem njwade ngisachaza nje ngo Ethan Brooks I'm really disappointed about Ethan Brooks yabo I'm really disappointed I don't wanna lie this guy I used to watch him lapha edlalela iTS Galaxy I thought he would be the next superstar I'm serious because I saw him playing for Ibafana Bafana. I think it was Kosafa. When we won Kosafa around 2021, he was very good. Iglesa Sisulena bedlala benobani lo mdlalo odlalela iKaizer right now Yusuf Mart. Yo they were very good these guys. Yabo since he joined the AmaZulu nje something angazi kwenzakalani. Icareer yakhe avela shona ezantsi umjida I don't know maybe injuries played a part on his career asaz yabo I think ama injuries ambulelile but ke yena ube deserve team right umjida Ethan Brooks usayidlalele maybe still is bizomenza style esafuna ube isona yabo iminyaka yakhe samncane kakhulu maningi ama team asengawajoin maybe rejoining the club TS Galaxy maybe joining Isikhukhune United because they need players right now Isikhukhune United or joining Marumo Galaxy there are many teams in the Betway Premiership who need players yabo kwezinye izindaba kuthiwa iChippa United have offered Musa Nyatama the position of being an assistant coach joining the new head coach uSnethemba Badela technical team yabo kwezinye izindaba kuthiwa AmaZulu get their own diamond uLiam Byrne yabo lo bedlalela iCape Town Spurs uzojoina uSuthu in the upcoming season bafethu lo mjidi uyadlala ngempela afuqa manje yabona lo mdlali lo uLiam Byrne lo bedlalela iCape Town Spurs quality player this one it's a pity that many teams aren't seeing ukuthi equality nayo lo mjidi lo but ke ubedlalela iCape Town Spurs ibina le tendency ongafuna ukudedela abadlali even though Arsenal level by right now will join iKaizer Chiefs on a free transfer ngenxa yabo yokuba stubborn yabo maybe releasing players and buying more players was going to help i-team njengeCape Town Spurs because you cannot survive lezansi yabo ehlathini ngabadlali abancane you don't need young players to survive lapha ehlathini udinga abadlali abane quality abadlali abane experience you don't need young players I don't think young players angakusiza kakhulu lapha ezantsi enye environment lapha ingakho most of the times when you see teams get promoted they tend to let go of their old players yabo and sign new players ku Betway Premiership because they know ukuthi laphana ku Betway Premiership they don't need old players they need fresh blood yabo so ngeke usurvive ngefresh blood lezantsi ku NFT udinga experience lapha kudlala experience kakhulu ku NFT yabo awudinga abadlali abancane abathanda ukujika ibhola lokujika ku NFT alisebenzi ku NFT bakudlalela igame ibunilnil ingabe indaba zadlutho kubunilnil nje kubu 1-1 yabo so laphana awudingi fancy football ku NFT you need players who understand the football players who understand ukuthi we need a win today we need a draw today we need something yabo you need players like that so Cape Town Spurs into kanjalo yabashaya yabona yabo they were supposed to sell their star players to teams adlala ku Betway Premiership not to keep those players kwezinye izindaba la kuthiwa AmaZulu FC transfer talks to land Uppington FC star Bokang Mokoena for the upcoming Betway Premiership season have collapsed